Let's meet some of the accounting agents and see what financials look like with Fleet. Obviously, getting financials out on time is what we think about in community management, but throughout the month, there are a number of tasks that need your attention. Maria is an accounting manager with 32 communities. Here's what's on her task list for today. Across all of her communities, she has 74 resales to process, 43 lockboxes, 15 out of balances, and 95 bank accounts to reconcile. Then, of course, she needs to close out the month at the end of the week. Her Fleet accounting agents are proactively monitoring the requests and transactions coming through all of her communities. Their goal is to find the tasks that come up, proactively take on the work, and complete it to keep their communities in the green. Maria's Fleet agents are monitoring and ensuring good financial health for their communities 24/7. So throughout the day or the month, let's look at a few things that come up for Maria and how her Fleet agents proactively help solve them and then produce financials at month end. First, let's look into a resale. So an email comes in from a title company with closing documents for a property. This is Bayview Estates, Unit 14B. Marcus, the AR agent, opens that email. He recognizes McKinley. He's processed 47 closings from them this year and knows their format. So let's watch what he does here. He's not just recording a transaction, he's closing the resale completely. The new owner, Elena Delgado, gets a new owner record and her ledger created. The monthly assessment posts. The new owner transfer fee posts. The welcome letter goes out with portal access and governing documents. And then this part matters. Marcus sets a collections hold through the next billing cycle because Acme's standard is one cycle of grace for new owners to get their statements and figure out how to pay. He knows that, and he does it without being asked. One email received, one resale closed, end to end. Maria's Fleet agents are working behind the scenes, that resale is complete, and a lockbox task comes up next. Over at Birchwood Commons, a 4800 lockbox batch just came in. The lockbox getting posted was Alex's trigger to get to work. So let's see what he does. He also has a standard operating procedure for how he handles these tasks. So he starts with his list. He walks every line item against the ledger. 12 items match clean. Recurring payers he recognizes by amount and timing. So those 12 are reconciled. One doesn't and needs review. It's a $318 credit with no matching homeowner record. Alex flags it on watch. He'll check tomorrow and the day after until it ties out. That's not an exception queue, that's someone following up. Now here's the one that really shows what's different about Fleet. At 12:19 this morning, while Maria was asleep, Alex's fund monitor flagged sunrise. The reserve fund column has been off by $340 since May 12th. He traces it back. There's an invoice from Rapid Roof Company, an emergency roof tarp after a storm. It was paid from the operating account, but coded to reserve fund expense. Alex has seen this pattern a few times this year with this vendor, so he knows exactly what it is. He posts the correcting journal entry, which is 4 lines. The reserve fund is balanced, and this gets resolved before the business day even started. He didn't need to ask because this is a learned pattern. Every decision Maria has ever made, every correction she's ever approved, every rule she's ever confirmed, the Fleet agents carry that forward. They don't just do the work, but they learn and remember and get better at that work. Now let's look back at Maria's queue. The Fleet agents have been running proactively, working on all of the financial tasks that have come in. And Maria watches those numbers drop to 0. All tasks complete. The accounting wasn't happening at month end. It was happening every day, all month long. So when Maria is ready to ship financials, she's not scrambling, she's confirming. Her financial production agent, Alex, sends Maria the financials for all of her communities. The financials are clean. For each association, Alex has generated a cover page at the front with a note from the management team and a high-level snapshot of what's important to know.